Radio Milwaukee.
What's up, man?
Hey, Cleo, how are you doing, man?
Man, I am starving.
Well, go get something to eat.
Yeah, but what to eat? That's the problem.
Well, did you try going to the cafeteria?
You know, normally I do, but I don't think there's anything there.
Well, I don't know, just get whatever sounds good.
Sounds good. Hi, Steve. Hello, how are you? Nice to meet Dude, check it out.
You expect me to eat this?
Well, yeah, it's got all your favorite records in it.
Wait, you put real records in this?
Well, yeah.
If you want to mix music and food together, Kaleo, you'd probably be better off working with a real chef.
Chef?
Yeah, like a real chef.
So you're not gonna eat it?
No way.